Biography of Aziz Mia Kawal. Aziz Mia Kawal, born April 17, 1942, died December 6, 2000, was one of the most renowned and unique Qawwals, Sufi devotional singers of the Indian subcontinent who brought a philosophical and spiritual dimension to the art of Qawwali. Early life and education. Aziz Mia's birth name was Abdul Aziz. He was born in Delhi, British India, and migrated to Pakistan after the partition in 1947. The suffix Mia was, which he frequently used in his Qawwalis, became part of his stage name. He began formal training in Qawwali at the age of 10 under Ustad Abdul Wahid Khan and studied at Data Ganj Bakhsh School in Lahore for 16 years. He earned multiple degrees from Punjab University in Urdu Literature, Islamic Studies, Philosophy, and bachelor's degree in English Literature. Musical career. Aziz Mia started his musical journey performing Qawwalis in military barracks, which earned him the nickname Fauji Qawwal, the Army Qawwal. In 1966, he performed before the Shah of Iran, Muhammad Reza Pahlavi, and received a gold medal in recognition. His voice was known for its powerful and rough tone, and he stood out as the only prominent Qawwal who wrote his own poetry. He also performed works by great poets like Allama Iqbal, Jigar Muradabadi, and Qatil Shifai. His Qawwalis often dealt with philosophical and Sufi themes, including direct conversations with God and expressions of human helplessness. Some of his most famous Qawwalis include Mia Sharabi, Allah Hi Jaane Kaun Bashar Hai, Nabi Nabi Ya Nabi Nabi, and Mia and Main Kya Janu, Ram Tera Gorak Danda. His Qawwali Hashar Ke Roz Ye Puchunga is considered the longest commercially released Qawwali in the world, running over 115 minutes. Death and legacy. Aziz Mia passed away on December 6, 2000 in Tehran, Iran due to complications from hepatitis. He had traveled there to perform on the occasion of Imam Ali's martyrdom. On the invitation of the Iranian government, he was led to rest near the Naubahar Canal in Multan, Pakistan. Several of his 12 children followed in his footsteps as Qawwals, including Imran Aziz Mia and Tabriz Aziz Mia. His son Shibli Aziz Mia has continued his spiritual legacy in the Sufi tradition. Honors and memorials. The government of Pakistan awarded him the Pride of Performance in 1989 in his memory. A bridge near his shrine in Multan has been named Aziz Mia Bridge. Aziz Mia redefined Qawwali not just as a musical form but as a medium for intellectual and spiritual expression. His powerful voice and message continue to resonate with audiences to this day. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil cooks, desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil white kadahi, Koi Jat Kadahi, and Elevex beauty soap, and marriage proposals for all caste. Mobile number 0323478787. You are watching Udan News.